hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel, and I hope you guys are having a really lovely day. It is currently about 30,000 degrees, so I do apologise if by the end of this video I look like I'm melting, because I pretty much am. I have no air conditioning and my window is closed, because otherwise you guys hear the entirety of my street. So I hope you guys appreciate it. I am gonna die any moment now. It is very, very hot. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a few LUSH hacks. Now, I got this idea from the LUSH Bristol page on Instagram. They basically asked everybody what their LUSH hacks were, and I thought, you know what, that's a great idea. I'm going to write down some of mine and make it into a video. So that is exactly what I'm going to do today. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. But before you watch this video, please leave me some more of your LUSH hacks down below. I would absolutely love to know what you guys do, and yeah, hopefully hopefully we can help out each other. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video and carry on watching. So hack number one is to use the shampoo bars as makeup brush cleaner. Now obviously this can be quite expensive, but you don't need to use a lot of it. I take my makeup brush, I wet it, I get the shampoo bar, almost swirl it around a couple times, and that is more than enough to clean that brush. And I find that it lasts a good 4, 5, 6 washes for all my makeup brushes. So it's definitely worth the money, and it makes it incredibly soft. Hack number two is to put naked products in your clothing drawers. Now, I'm not saying go and buy 20 intergalactics and pop them in with all your white clothing, because it will come out blue, but use a bit of common sense and definitely put some of your naked products in your drawers, especially your sock drawers, underwear drawers, pajama drawers, stuff like that. You will smell unbelievable. It's like you work there. Honestly, that's the thing I miss most about working there, is that I used to be able to smell like LUSH all the time. So definitely do that, and I promise you, you will smell amazing. Hack number three is to use the massage bars as bath oils. Now, some of you guys may know that LUSH discontinued their bath oils a few months ago, and ever since then you can't really get any unless they're in the bath bombs. However, I tend to use the massage bars that are basically nearly all used up and they look a little bit gross. I chop those up and put them in my bath, and it feels absolutely amazing. It means you don't waste the product either, and all of it gets used, and it just makes your skin feel like silk. So try that out, let me know if you have, and let me know your thoughts on it, because I love it and it's definitely one of my favourite hacks. Hack number four is to use the fun bars to shave with. Now, I absolutely love a few of LUSH's shaving items, but they do get rid of them quite quickly, I find. So I have been using my fun bars to shave with, and it definitely makes a difference. It's so milky, it makes my skin feel incredibly soft, and I also find that I don't really use fun for any other property really, because I don't use it to wash my hair, and I don't really use it as shower gel either. So this way I can get through my fun bars and my skin feels super soft too. My next hack is to use the foot scrubs on your hands. Now hear me out, but the foot scrub is so fine that it is perfect for your hands, especially in this kind of climate, I suppose. It's very hot and we need a lot of cleansing and a lot of cleaning at the moment, and it's just a beautiful way to make your skin feel so incredibly soft, and I love it so much. The Pumice Power foot soap thing is so nice too. It smells amazing, and I absolutely love using this just before I use a moisturiser. I've been loving my Love and Light moisturiser at the moment, so I tend to do that with that, and it just makes a nice little combination, and my hands feel amazing. So definitely try that out if you haven't already. My next hack is to use the body sprays as room sprays. Now, it comes to no surprise that I absolutely love the Twilight body spray, and I absolutely use this all over my bed before I go to sleep. It smells incredible. Because it's lavender, it also really encourages a good night's sleep, and it's just really nice. Obviously, I know LUSH body sprays are very expensive. They are about £20 a go, which is a lot of money, but if you wanted to treat yourself to something nice and you do want your room to smell nice, I don't see why you can't use it as a room spray. Try it and let me know what you think. My next hack is to do with the toner tabs. Now, toner tabs are £1 to £2. They're very affordable, but what a lot of people don't realise is the water that they actually use to put the toner tab in and steam their face with, you can actually put that in a bottle and put that in the fridge and use that as a toner water for a good few days after. So don't tip it away, pop it in a bottle, and you can get a good few uses out of that. I just think it's way better than throwing it down the sink, and you get a lot more for your money's worth. So yeah, definitely give that a go. If you haven't tried them, I would recommend. Super affordable, and it's a fun way to have a pamper. Another hack that I have to share with you is to use shower gel to wash your bed sheets with. Now, I don't mean go crazy, because I don't know how a washing machine would react to a lot of shower gel, but I do know a lot of people that tend to wash their bed sheets with Snow Fairy, and it makes it smell absolutely incredible. So give it a try, but please take it with a pinch of salt. Do not use too much, and kind of do it at your own risk, but it does smell amazing and it does work. And the final hack that I have to share with you today is using the Sleepy Dust as bed powder, I suppose. Now, I don't know whether Sleepy Dust is limited edition or not, so I do apologise if it is, but I would dust this in between my bed sheets and it just smells absolutely incredible. So good. So definitely give this a try if you haven't already. It makes you so relaxed at night time, and the lavender helps to really calm you and make you have a great night's sleep. So give it a try and let me know how you get on with it, because I absolutely love doing this and it makes my room smell amazing. So that is everything for this video. Please let me know down below any Lush hacks you have. I would absolutely love to know, and I would love to get the comments just full of Lush tips and tricks. So leave them all down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, because 52% of you haven't subscribed to my channel, and I would love to hit 9.3k this year, so please subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys!